What is it?
I'm not at home. I'm not at home. I'm not at home.
Whose boss is that?
Where's he? Where's the guy that runs towards here?
The only person I saw running towards me went that way.
Oh, he stole the map first.
I said he went that way.
Let's go.
Okay.
They are gone, come out.
Awago.
They've gone, come out. They are saying you stole somebody's purse.
I didn't steal any purse. I picked it from the ground.
You picked this purse from the ground.
Hannah.
When Mama comes, I'll tell her that you picked the purse from the ground.
It has not gotten to that level now. Mostly involve Mama.
I don't need stolen money. I don't need stolen money. Must I run after you all the time? When Mama comes.
Why are you being difficult, eh? Why are you being difficult? Are you Mother Mary? Are you Mother Mary? In fact, do your worst. Do your worst, Inano. Do your worst. And they don't query now. And they don't query now. Do your worst. How market now?
You remember that woman? That woman with the sell up now by Intachos?
By Market Square.
By Market Square by Intachos. Nobody for the woman. Nobody for her. One,
she pay. Oh, Bob, your day bolo, high star. See money.
How you win?
Nah, I want Johnson woman no. By that what do you call him? That triangle now, that three square. She carry galon, carry one small bag. I follow up the post.
You call it her?
Some boys follow me up.
And they do Jukunaka.
I mean you, they nearly hola. But trust me now. And they don't put it now. You don't get at 1B now, I log out normal level.
I'm going to meet you now. I'm going to go for by round about 20 dollars.
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you.
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you.
Leave me alone. No. Okay, what is it?
You will tell me today whether I am not the one that gave birth to you or the reverse. Now, Dubem, give me that woman's purse. Give me the purse you stole. Now.
No, they're going to wine now. They're going to wine.
You give me today.
Mama, leave me now. I don't have any purse now.
If I don't leave you, what will you do?
Nah,
if I don't leave you, what will you do?
You will beat me.
You will beat me now. Mama. At least beat me. Let it be what you have achieved in your life.
What
What is happening here? Eh?
Okongu guy.
Eh?
Thank God you are here.
Yes.
One year just now, why you know where Bayaki? She's talking about the purse I know nothing about.
Hey.
And I don't go now. What is it?
Akune, is your purse missing?
Naimba. No! But your son is at it again.
What?
He has stolen another woman's purse. My Bonyori! He has stolen another person's purse.
Pap,
now ask him.
Okongu guy, false allegation.
Okay.
False allegation.
Liar! Papa is lying. Was I not here when they came looking for him?
Wait. I will blind you. Who called you?
What happened? Tell me what happened.
Nai, I know not. They have even searched my room.
They searched your room.
And they found no purse. So what are they saying?
You see?
And they don't go now.
They searched your room and saw no purse. So you are innocent.
Papa, he must have hidden it somewhere else. I saw.
I'm a Tibuyo. I'm a Buyo. Hey!
Leave this boy, is innocent.
Leave me alone, oh.
You searched his room, you didn't see any purse. I am warning you.
Okonta.
Yes.
I am not expecting anything better from you. I know it is what you will say. Because you are the one encouraging and supporting this boy. Okonta! Okonta, an elder, does not stay at home and watch the goats give birth in tetas. You are the one responsible for what this boy has become.
Yes.
Papa, what you are doing is not fair. It's not fair.
You like condemning your brother.
Mama, it's okay. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. You know, Papa will always support him.
Excuse me, bro.
Papa, it's not fair.
If you touch
Who
me,
is touching you? Who is touching you?
If you touch me, I'll just grab you. People will see your weakness.
Chukudem, we are sitting down here. Are we not going to have water in this house? Eh? Are we not going to have water in this house this morning?
I'm sick. I'm not going anywhere.
Chukudem is really sick. You are sick. What is wrong with you? Is it typhoid or malaria?
It's complicated.
Mama is lying, no. He has been sitting here playing with these stones.
I will
At least I'm doing something.
Go and fetch me water. Ask you to get me. Kuna fugopa. Chukudem.
Also, you leave me alone.
You see why I said that you don't love this boy? You don't treat this boy like a son at all.
Oh.
The boy is sick. It's tough you to go and look for food and drugs for him. Start shouting.
Okonta. Okonta.
Yes.
I did not invite you into this matter. I did not invite you. Simply tell Dubem to go and fetch the water I asked him.
Okay. Thank you. Chukudubem, you go and rest a little, eh? You'll be fine. Let me go and look for drugs for you immediately. Drugs and food. Right. Thank God.
Thank you very much, Okongu guy. Thank you very, very much, Okongu.
Okonta! Mr. Supporter of evil. So you could not tell your son to go and fetch water. You can't tell him to go and fetch me water to cook. Eh? You're not a fine boy. You can't even tell your son to go and obey his mother.
Okongu.
Go on, Naija. Naija get it on. Fetch water for me. Okay. You get tired.
Do you know you're very wicked? So you want Mama to go and use her hand to fetch the water she used to cook food for you and also say to take care of this?
I will bab you. I will bab you.
Nemo,
Mama.
are you back already?
Yes, Mama.
Hey.
That is almost finished.
My dear, God is good. Oh, God is good for me. I even had some customers that have come early to eat this morning. But they should have stayed to rest at home instead of coming out here early this
Just let me come and help you. Besides, I can see you're very tired. Don't worry, let me do it. Don't worry, I'll take care of everything since I'm here.
How is your brother? Where is he?
Mama, why are you asking as if you don't know your son again? I didn't even meet him at home.
I know Dubem was not sick. I know it when he told me that he was sick. I know he was not sick. Please help my son. And make him change and turn away from these ways he's going. He's an only son.
Mama, I don't expect you to be crying like this in a public place. Eh? When you already know your son, Dubem, why are you doing this to yourself? Please don't cry.
God, Bikonu,
Please, Mama.
Change my son for me, Bikonu, change him.
Mama, I'm here for you. Don't worry. Everything will be fine soon. Please don't have to cry, eh? It's okay, Mama. You've not done anything. Mama, you're a good mother. You've not done anything. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
You have been dodging me.
I thought you went out.
Dodging me. I know you are a very busy man. I know you are a very busy man. I know of this one. But I still need the money. Just like that.
Come guys, you still need money.
Give me the ball.
You still need money?
Yeah. What kind of man?
Come, let me ask you. What are you doing with money at your age?
Money is for the old and the young. It's for the old and the young. At least you know I will service my bike.
So guys, so you are giving me bill now that you want to service your bike.
No.
This your bill is sexy.
Omekania. You see, I love the way you hustle. It reminds me of my young age. I used to hustle like you.
So you were a very sharp young hustler.
Me? Ogunta. I hustle more than you do. When you say when you marry a bad wife, and then becomes hardship. Anyway, my son, I love the way you took after me. I love it.
Me, you're proud of me?
Yeah.
I don't think I'll get married in future. I'll just have baby mama myself.
That's no problem. Take this little too.
Ogonguga. Keep it up. I don't fear you now, so you can go born now. And then don't fear you now. Ogonguga. I love you. Ogonguga, one love, man. One love.
Yeah, Chike. You are saying that you caught my son red-handed raping 2 female students.
I saw him, not just him with his friend, trying to rape the 2 girls.
Oh, you said you caught my son trying to sleep or rape the 2 girls?
Because I said I saw your son and his friend trying to rape the 2 girls.
Oh, trying to. They were trying to, but they never committed their act. They were trying to.
Mr. Kota, what difference does it make?
A lot of difference. When you say they were about to, so you have no reason to conclude that they were raping the 2 girls, whether it was raping or it was tripping, because those girls may like my son, and they may just go like this and run, and when they run to a hidden place, they stop.
Meaning what?
Meaning that it is now girls that chase boys. Huh? Have you not heard about that women now chase boys?
With all due respect, I am disappointed in you.
Very disappointment yourself.
It is very clear that you are responsible for your son's irresponsibilities. You are the one encouraging.
What is going on here?
I brought a report here to your husband about his son and his friend trying to rape 2 female students, and instead of your husband giving a holistic and fire brigade approach towards calling his son to order, he is here twisting the whole story to favor his son.
Did you say rape?
Yes, rape.
My friend, get out of this place. Shut up, what? What? Get out!
I should leave your house.
How can you come back? Why are you following this man? Eh? Unless you have other intention. better come back. Leave the man alone. Are you coming back?
Like son, like father.
Mama, why are you crying?
You better bring that chair. Bring the chair.
What happened at work?
At Munze. Obieze Nesu from Munze. He's dead.
Oh, yeah. Obieze. Okalammo.
He was burned to ashes by the order of the
Anyways, may you so rest in peace, Sha. But why are you crying? Are you people related? Are you discussing?
My dear, I am not crying for him. But I weep for my son and for the future of my only son. That is why I'm crying.
I don't understand.
Everybody that knows Ebieze knows he started with pickpockets. It is the sad part you are taking, my son, which will only lead you to destruction
Mama,
and untimely death.
Mama, you see why I hate having conversation with you? What's all this now? Have you caught me picking any pockets? Have you caught me picking any pockets? And then go in and go.
Just look at you. No respect again. Not even one simple regards for your mother. They caught you trying to rape 2 students.
And then go in and go. Mama, please. I need rest. I don't have your time. Please.
Dubem! Why? Why choose this part? Can it fall? What is it? Hey!
The seats are not complete. One is missing.
Okay.
I am not with Eno. Check your contact.
Check who?
Ogonta?
Check him. Check your contact.
Make sure you don't insult me. What do you mean by check Ogonta? Why are you insulting me?
Contact, calm down.
Calm down for what?
Everybody in this village knows that you and your son are thieves.
Me?
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Very much. Everybody in this community.
What do you mean?
I said it.
Where is
I
it?
said it.
Where is it? How do I know that it's my tracks are trapped? Look, you're insulting me. You are insulting me. How dare you insult me like that? And how do you
I leave my shop now.
How do you
It's enough.
You leave my shop.
It's enough.
He has insulted me.
Listen.
See, we don't need to quarrel over this. Please. Sit down. Sit down.
Everybody knows you and your son.
Sit down. Let us play games.
I'm not playing the game.
Go.
I'm going.
Go.
There's money here
I'm not
for
playing.
you.
Everybody knows you and your son are thieves.
I don't know what I've done to you.
Now what happened?
You're asking me as if you know that nobody in this village has good opinion of this family again because of you.
Because of people.
You are pretending. I know it will come to this. I know it's going to come to this because I told you ab initio to stop condemning your son in the public. But you will not listen. Now we are subject of ridicule and mockery, all because of your handwork. Just because of you.
Nah, I still do not understand what you mean. Are you saying that it is wrong for me to correct my son? Or if you know that I should not correct my son when he errs?
Is that the way to correct a son? Is that the way a mother should correct a son? Is that the way to correct a son? I told you, instead you will go about the whole village. Discussing with people who have bad opinion and agree with them who have bad opinion about Dubem and see where it has landed us. What have you now achieved?
But Papa, it's very unfair of you to accuse Mama of Dubem's bad attitude. After all, she's not the one that asked him to start stealing people's money and valuable possessions.
Are you sure that Dubem is into stealing?
Yes, he's a thief. He steals.
Are you sure? You see, he just see you. You can't even defend your brother. See, your only sibling
How long will she continue to defend him? How long? And Nani? How long? Go and get food for him to eat before he dies. Because I don't know where he's coming from and who has offended him there. That he wants to transfer the aggression to me.
Your only sibling. Now you want to label him a criminal and watch him dead. Is that what you want to achieve? What will you achieve by that? What will you achieve? Can't find me my food.
I'm gonna go and give you food before he will die. Just keep defending yourself. This life is a choice. What you decide, that's what will come to you. Eh? Every time. With my eyes, I will see what will become of you this time. Give him food to eat before he will die. He just came back from wherever he went to without knowing who offended him. He want to take the aggressive to me. It won't work. Oh? All the things you have been saying, I do not even understand what you're talking about. I will correct myself. All that you have said now, they told you that. I don't even know what you're talking about. Of Okonta.
What? Dubem the Okonta's son?
Yes.
Oh. No. I have received several reports concerning this same boy. Several reports. Oh, I can see. This boy has caught more than his mouth can contain. This time, I will teach him a lesson he will never forget. Guard! Go quickly now and fetch me Okonta's son. Go!
Thank you, Your Highness.
It's well with you.
Thank you.
Please, save my son's life. Biko, please.
Enough! Enough! Your son here has been fingered severally of stealing people's money, people's valuables, snatching people's handbags, and committing some other petty stealing. Eh? And I am very sure that the both of you are aware of this.
No. I don't know anything about that. But you see, these are unconfirmed allegations and accusations concocted by my enemies to punish my son. You see? Uncollaborated.
Look at yourself. Just look at yourself. Look at the rubbish you are vomiting with your dirty and the stinking mouth. And your son was caught today by a villager snatching a woman's bag. And you still have the guts here now to defend him.
I have done everything to see that my son turn away from these wicked ways he's going after.
You have done nothing. Absolutely nothing. My friend, where is your friend? I said, where is your friend?
This is false allegation. I'm innocent.
Oh, you still had the mettle to lie even before my presence. Oh.
Igwe, please. Igwe, please. Igwe, save my son. Save his life. Igwe.
Well, I believe all of you heard what happened at Umunze just recently.
Igwe, you cannot pass judgment on my son because he's innocent. You cannot pass judgment on an innocent man. There's no proof whatsoever that he committed this crime. Not single proof, except an eyewitness, which I know might have been bought over by my enemies to destroy my son. There's no exhibit, no any sign to show that my son actually committed a crime. So it would be most unfair, Igwe, most unfair to pass such judgment on an innocent person. It would be in an injustice. Igwe, please allow my son to go.
Okonta.
Igwe.
Okonta.
Igwe.
How many times have I called you?
2 times.
When a mother hen refuses to stop the chicken from playing sick and fine game with the hawk, she should be ready to receive the repercussions. I'm going to leave your son.
Hey, Igwe, thank you. You will live long, Igwe.
Because of lack of evidence, according to you.
Yes.
But let me warn. From today onwards, anybody caught stealing in this community must be burnt alive.
We heard.
Yes, we heard.
Can you leave my palace for me?
Igwe, thank you.
Leave my palace! Go right now. Go out there and fetch that woman for me. That the bag was nice.
Yes, Your Highness.
Like father, like son. Like son, like father. Okongo gayo, gai man. Okongo gayo, gai man.
I'm looking for my 10K.
You are asking a question, you already know the answer.
Oh, Okongu guy, now one for you. You should have divided it into 2 now. Must you collect the whole 10K?
I could have taken more if I'd seen them. You fucked me up. You're a disappointment.
I don't understand.
Igwe nearly ordered the execution today. He nearly ordered the execution, but I saved you. Igwe made the sharp as a blade, and as clever as a tortoise. And you are so careless, you failed me. And you robbed a person who can recognize their face.
Okongu guy, the woman I took her purse is not from this village. It was her friend from this village that identified me.
Yeah, you should have silenced her. You have silenced her immediately. You see, you have to be very careful in this your job. Your mates are surviving. I don't know why your own should be different. Huh? I don't know.
But Okongu guy, you shouldn't have collected my whole 10K now. Now I'm broke.
Go and hustle for more. Go and hustle for more. Anyway. Go and hustle for more. Phone guy this morning. Hustle for more. Manage it. Manage it.
Okongu guy, you took my 10,000 naira and you are giving me 350 naira.
You hustle for more. I've told you, go and hustle for more. You succeed.
And I don't quit now.
My guy, come and take the money.
Please, don't hurt me. I beg of you, please.
I cannot hurt you. Oselenga doesn't hurt people.
Please, I want to go home. Please.
You want to go home? You can't go home now. You got to bless me. Baptalo me go see. Me fed you now.
Please, I beg. I beg you.
Bring this thing down first.
Oselenga, I'm angry with you. I'm very, very angry with you. What sort of friend are you? No, tell me, what sort of friend are you? You couldn't even check on me.
Chagana, you're not just my friend. You're my brother. You're my brother.
So why didn't you check on me?
You go send his guards to my house now. I have to flee on seeing them. I can have one more fucker. But why did you submit yourself like that? Don't you know the consequences?
They took me unaware. They took me unaware. Can you imagine? That stupid king has the guts to send his miserable guards on me. They picked me up. If not for my father, he would have executed me. But no wala.
Chakencha, his business is becoming tough. It's becoming too tough.
But you messed up. You should have checked on me no matter what. You should have checked on me.
Chakencha was scared of being caught. And my parents became another problem. I have to leave the house. I left the house for them now. Huh? Listen, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't come up.
I swear, I will only forgive you on one condition. I swear I will forgive you only on one condition. I will have 70% of our next deal.
Why will you say that?
Because I lost everything.
Chakencha, I've pleaded for your forgiveness. Just forgive this thing. Remember, we're doing a fresh deal.
That's the only way I'll forgive you. My father took my whole savings, my 2 weeks savings. My father took it. Now they don't query now. Can you imagine? I mean, I'm even hungry and I don't have money to eat. I'm hungry and I don't have money to eat.
I have some change with me. Let's go and eat. I'll pay.
Shakina, Chakincha, Shakina.
Papa.
Yes?
I overheard your conversation with Zubby this afternoon. Papa, what will you gain if you succeed in destroying your only son's future?
Are you going to harass me? Huh?
Papa, I am here to tell you that no wise and sensible father will see the downfall of his own son. You're the one leading my brother towards the path of destruction.
Amara, your brother is old enough to be a man. And as a man, he should hustle with his mates for his own survival and accept his responsibility in the family.
But Papa, when has stealing become hustling?
Look at this girl. Eh? Why is it that you always like condemning your brother, your only sibling? You like condemning him. What has he done to you to merit all these things? Eh? Amanachuku, what has he done? Have you ever seen him with any criminal exhibit? Any exhibit? Anything?
Severally, Papa. Papa, plenty times. Plenty times. And it will pain me so much if my brother dies because of all the encouragement you give to him to do evil. And I will stand and tell the whole village how you led him to his death.
Amara, you will do no such thing. You are not going to tell any villager anything. Because if there's anybody that needs to die, it is him. Your wickedness will kill you. My son will not die in your place.
Oh, I can see this is a conspiracy. I don't have time for you people. Let me face my mistake.
For God to change his life. When I wait patiently for judgment of God to come upon you, for all the wicked seeds you have been sowing inside my son's life, you will die, yo. Your wickedness must kill you.
Mama is okay.
Huh?
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I only blame my late brother, Onuma, for recommending you to be my wife. and you are hopeless and useless. I saw Numa. Eh?
Eh, Papa?
My wife. Oh. I wish the peacefulness and the riches I would have had if I had married Oluchi. How prosperous I would have been. Married this
Don't insult my mother like this, though. Don't insult my mother.
Just look at you. I was wondering why death did not take you along with that your useless, stupid woman that died of cancer lung. Why didn't you die along with her?
I know you want to kill me. I know you want to kill me, Abune. But kill me, Okongu. Okonta. If I just want to, just like this, be way like that.
Look at you, in a more Okongu guy. Let stay up at Chagodu. Look at this up at shameless old man that achieved nothing. Leave me alone. Let me talk to him for once. Shameless old man. Wicked Jezebel. Or Jezebel come Amosu. You want to kill my only son? It will not work for you. Retire.
Let's go inside.
You got retirement.
I'll just kill you.
Papa, this is your thing is not fair.
This man, you will not do anything. You not soft knife. How many people have you killed?
Mama.
How many?
Mama, let's go.
Useless man.
Mama, just leave me.
No, look at his head.
Fair,
Shameless man, look at just look at that and he's here.
Mama, it's okay.
A responsible man.
Mama, it's
Oluchi
okay.
Wuligi. Go and die with her. Let the same cancer that killed her kill you.
Mama.
You will die.
Leave me alone. Why don't you let it teach my man?
Where did you get this goat? Oh, now what kind of nonsense question is that? What's that? These goats are mine. Eh? How are my goats?
Show me the birth certificate.
Why I show the birth certificate?
Show me the birth
certificate. These are my goats.
These are my goats.
I said these are my goats.
Show me the birth certificate.
Are you pushing me?
Show me the birth certificate.
What happened? They stole my goat.
Can you?
These are my goats. They stole my goat.
Thank you very much. Dalongon. I wonder why your brother seldom makes use of his senses.
Mama, please don't just talk about them. Let's go to the shop. We need to make some money today.
You have to, my daughter.
Yes.
Just look at the way you are helping me.
Mama, it's my duty to help you.
Where is your son, Dubem?
Why are you looking for him? And what did he do?
Your son, Dubem, stole Mr. Foster's goat. He will have ordered for his immediate execution. So where is him? This time, no mercy. Session.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Why you? Mama, what is this? Mama, what? Mama.
Slinging for you. Where have you been now? I've been waiting for you.
I had to make sure I wasn't followed.
We are Igwe's #1 target, including the police. So this village is no longer safe.
Check it out. The worst has happened.
Listen, this village is no longer safe for us. What do you mean by the worst has happened?
Your mother.
Huh?
Oh!
What about my mother? So the Igwe has the guts to arrest my mother on my behalf, Abi? When you go Hagabale.
Checking out, your mother is dead.
Stop crying, my son. Please, stop crying. Please, please, please. It's okay, it's okay.
Mama, it's all my fault.
It's not your fault. Don't say this type of thing. You've done nothing to her. You were there when I was advising her to take it easy and stop getting easily worked up whenever it concerns you because of her heart condition. And he refused. He refused to listen to me.
I caused her death. I killed Mama. I killed.
I know you couldn't have allowed the Igwes and their guys to come near you. I know my son. But so keep yourself. Be vigilant. Be strong. It's only women that fall in battlefield. Men don't fall. So calm down so we can plan what we shall do to those people that caused the death of your mother.
So you're here crying?
You killed Mama. I wish somebody can tell me that we don't share the same blood.
Amara, please. Amara, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me, I'm sorry, please.
Don't you dare tell me you're sorry. Dube, you have killed Mama and I will never forgive you for it.
Please, I'm sorry. Okay, please, I'm sorry.
Dube, God will punish you. It will never be well with you. Mama's spirit will haunt you forever.
Let her be. She's talking like a woman.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
She's talking like a woman when she is.
I'm sorry.
Cool down. Let us.
No, Baba, I killed her. It's all my fault.
So be the man you always been. Ago.
Alphonsus.
Your Highness.
I'm considering pardoning those two boys that stole your goats.
Your Highness, those boys are criminals and they deserve to be punished.
Yeah, I understand you. But I'm considering Dubem because he just lost his mother.
Your Highness, Dubem's mother died because of her negligence in bringing Dubem up very well. And as a matter of fact, Your Highness, the woman died, she deserved what she got. But for the sake of children deserved punishment for the sin he committed, so that others will take example from the punishment we laid on him.
I thought you recovered your goats before they were sold.
Yes, Your Highness. I recovered mine. But what of other people that lost their properties without recovering up to this moment? You see, if you pardon those boys, they will do worse tomorrow. You've pardoned them before. So I'm suggesting that they need to be punished so that others will learn example.
I don't understand. Are you issuing an order to me or you are bringing in a suggestion?
So, Your Highness, I lost some of my properties before. And I'm suspecting that these boys, these dubious boys, must know something about those properties I've lost.
I think I'm beginning to see reasons with your point. I think I will give it a second thought. I will reconsider.
Thank you, Your Highness.
How long are we going to continue like this?
You said this village, we're the most wanted people in this village now. We don't have a hiding place, since our parents have rejected us.
My father has not rejected me.
Now we cannot go to your house. Your house is not safe. There's no way we hide in your house without being caught. All these prying eyes, they will definitely be on us. What we have to do is to leave this village for good.
Oselenge, you are wrong. We are born here. We were raised here. We belong here. We can't start running now.
Our life is being shuttered up already in this village. Unless you want us to die.
Listen, even the devil knows I can't die now. I need to live up to my dream. I need to buy cars. I need to build houses. I need to do things. So giving up and leaving this village is not working for me now.
See, we need to leave this village. And why I'm telling you, we need a helping hand. We need somebody who can show us the way, who can lead us to our dream. That person is not in this village and can never be in this village.
You're not getting it. Helping hand from where? Do you know anybody that can help us?
I know this man in Naija. At least I know him. He's tough. If we can come and join him, definitely he's going to test us. We'll come out successful. We'll be with him. We need just to leave this town. Eh? I can't about one motherfucker.
I didn't query now. I didn't query now.
Oh, I am sincerely very, very sorry for the demise of your wife.
Thank you.
She was a good woman, a peaceful and kind woman. The people of Amako are really, really very, very sorry. They commiserate with you. What about your son, Lubem?
Sincerely, I don't know his whereabouts.
Well, I made a pronouncement on him for a crime he committed against the law of this land and deserved to be here himself.
Igwe, did you come here to sympathize with me or to fuck me up?
I don't understand you, Azokonda.
What don't you understand, Igwe? What don't you understand? What I've just said. Eh? You made a pronouncement. And that pronouncement caused me so much pain. It caused me so much pain. You accused my son of stealing when there is no evidence, no exhibit to collaborate. And my wife became so excited that he had an attack. A heart attack and died untimely, Igwe.
Your son was caught by Alphonsus for stealing his goods and has committed a series of other crimes and deserves to be buried alive for going against the law of this land.
I don't know you're so wicked. I don't know you're so wicked and callous. You caused the death of my wife. And now you want me to bring my son so I to kill him also. The God of the land will not forgive you for that. No. Never.
I don't understand the mumbo jumbo you are talking about. I have to remind you that your son committed a crime against the law of this land. Bring him here. Let him face the judgment in the palace here.
I say you have said all you want to say. You've said all you want to say.
Well, I have to tell you. No Kenyada no, it were more noble. Eh? Let it be. Ubochenta kachono welenji.
Damn it.
Who are you? Who are you?
What's your name?
I want to see Mr. Smith.
Who are these people?
I don't know these boys, so Beyonce boss wants to see them.
I called him on the phone. He said we should come.
Yes. Are you sure you called him?
Hello. Go back now.
What is happening there?
Okay, now these boys, so Beyonce, they won't see you.
My runaway friend. You come to my house uninvited.
What? I thought you guys said you called him. No, the para.
Who got the para? Enough. Don't be like boss.
Enough! You can go back to your duty post. And you may come inside.
Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina. Ogongo gayo gaiman, Ogongo gayo gaiman.
Papa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Did you see your brother? For some days now, I've not set my eyes on him. I don't know if he's sneaking into the house in my absence. But if he's sneaking into the house in my absence, must I give him money to keep for me? Huh? Yes, where is the money? Am I not talking to somebody?
Papa, leave me alone, no. Papa, leave me alone, no.
Ma, you're shouting at me?
Papa, your only son is declared wanted for a crime. And you're here asking me if he kept money for you.
Is he not supposed to keep money for me? Look at you.
I regret being the daughter of a useless father.
Useless father?
Papa, you're a disgrace to fatherhood.
If you talk again, I'll give you a dirty slap.
Papa, don't touch me, oh. Papa, don't touch me, oh.
If I slap you, what do you do? Stupid woman. If I slap you now, what will you do? What contribution are you making for the family other than cooking, kitchen, and washing plates? Your mates are there in Abuja. Your mates are there in Abuja getting connected to rich and influential men of the society, and using their beauty to enrich themselves and their family. And you are here. You are here deluding yourself as the most beautiful girl in the village. Abi? Most beautiful girl in the village. Living in your father's house.
Papa, you are asking me, your daughter, so go into prostitution.
Do you know that there is something like bottom power? Must it be prostitution? You can marry them. You use your brain to help yourself. Please, I hope my food is ready. I'm warning you, you are staying in this house too long. Remember, you are getting old. That's why I'm saying this thing. Every day you're growing old. And very soon, nobody will talk to you. Naija, then you know what you have done to
Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha, Shakina, chakincha. We fear nobody. We fear nobody. We shake the town.
That envelope contains your first and second assignments. I believe you're properly trained on how to handle a gun.
Yes, sir.
Good. You're about to go through a litmus test in which if you fail, let's straight to your graves.
There is nothing like failure in my dictionary.
Save your breath. It is easier said than done.
We fear nobody.
You guys have proven your worthiness for this job. And I salute your courage.
Like I told you before, there is nothing like failure in my dictionary.
Most of your mates failed, but you didn't. Yeah, I will make you guys my close pals.
Boss, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. But I'll tell you something. I got it.
This time I will take you to the rest of my boys and let them know about your victory. Please, you may sit.
That one. Nobody has seen that one since the Igwe declared him and his friend wanted in the village.
I'm sure he's not going to come back unless he wants to die. What a cursed family.
Lucy.
It's a cursed family. Okay. Her father, a lazy drunk. Her mother is dead.
Hi.
And her only brother, a wanted criminal. Do you wish to have such a family?
God forbid. Mbano.
Oh, that's why I said it's a cursed family. Eh? See, I'm always mindful of my things anytime Amarachi comes visiting me. Because you never can tell if stealing runs in their blood.
Lucy, that's so unfair. Amara is our friend. You saying such a thing is not nice. But it might be true. Just feel sorry for her. How can such a miserable thing happen to a nice family like Amara's family? Me, from today onwards, anytime Amara comes to my house, I'll be keeping my own things safe. I don't want anything to happen to my own property.
So this is how the both of you gossip behind my back. I thought you were my friends. But I can see you both are just wolves in sheep's clothing.
No, Amara, it's not...
Don't explain anything. I heard everything. There is no need. Both of you can live your life the way you please. You don't have to associate with a cursed girl from a cursed family.
Amara, we do not say anything. Amara, please. Amara, leave her, let her go, John. Do you need to beg to associate with the devil? Her family is cursed and it's high time we end our relationship. Do you understand? Please, let's hurry up. I have so many things to do at home. Don't tell me that rubbish again.
Good day, Mr. Moye. Good day.
You're having problem with your bike?
Yes, I'm suspecting fuel, you know. I'm suspecting fuel. I will take it to petrol station now.
Okay, well done.
Mr. Moye, a minute, please. A minute. Did you see my son? I've not seen him for some time now.
What kind of stupid question is that?
I ask you a simple question. Instead of you to answer, give me a simple answer. You are talking jazz. I might give you a simple question. Where is my son? Do you see my son? Yes or no?
Well, I did not see your son. Even if I did, Igwe will be the first person to know. Then the local vigilantes will be the second to know. Because your son, as far as I'm concerned, is a condemned criminal.
What type of person are you? Look, you're just talking rubbish. I ask you a simple question and you're dribbling yourself, going up and down. What type of thing is that?
Look at you. Now I know that you have been the one encouraging your son to carry out all his criminal activities in this town.
What?
Now he has abandoned you.
Thunder fire you there.
Thunder fire you and your family too.
Mumu. Look at you.
Criminal family.
But why do I waste my time talking to this Mumu?
You have been supporting your son.
Police, get out of my side.
You, one day police will catch you too.
Oh, Mumu. You are a Mumu.
Shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha, shakina, chakincha.
I like humble and loyal people in my life.
We shake the town. We fear nobody. We fear nobody. We shake the city. Udogune pempe. AKA na me be Shakina.
Get down. Get down.
Go down on your knee.
I'm busy when I will kill us for here now. I wanna. What in the bring go down?
Shall I listen? Go down on your knee.
They can go for the game. They have proven their loyalty and worthiness to work for this league.
What are your names?
Now me be Shakina, AKA Odogune Pempe.
Chakincha.
What's up, give me the
Chakincha.
That's why I know for now.
Hey, what is your name?
Hey, Kugambuna, Ante Fuge Janu Ife. My name is Osekoko. Osekoko by Oselenge. Fungamu Nemuriru. Fum Fuge. Furanam Fuge.
Now listen to me. I hate stubborn people, or else I will take your lives. Stubborn people. I hate stubborn people. Or else I will take your lives.
Marongi.
My own head.
I'm not going to Fungi. On the door for Bipeka.
What's up, Wakwa?
Great League of the Spread.
Odogune Pempe. Odogune Pempe.
No money for me in a village in a park.
I will about it.
How even bag at the rapid? Tau.
I met you go on Macano Dogune Pempe. Boom. Touch a bossa.
We be the baddest. I rap, I sing, I come and see. I go on the show, I back fancy. I go on the club, I pop something. Every girl's mommy go and buy something.